Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class. How are you, children? Children, in today's class, we are going to discuss a wonderful topic, that is evaporation. That is evaporation. You know evaporation, and you have studied about that in your previous classes. You know that clouds are formed by the concept of evaporation. And children, in this class, you will get a clear idea about evaporation. So children, you need to dry the wet clothes. Then you will select the area terrace. Yes or no? You will take the all dresses and you will hang on the thread or string. Yes or no? Then after some hours, like 2 to 3 or 4 to 5 hours, you may see that entire wet cloth is dried. Where does the water go? Where does the water go, children? And one other example is, your mom may wash the floor of your house. After 15 to 20 minutes, you may see that the entire floor is dried up. There is a little bit of water on it. Then again, where does the water go, children? So in this class, you come to know the concept of evaporation very clearly. Okay, children, we'll find out why this process is going on and where does the water go. We will observe it very carefully. Before that, children, you take a small amount of spirit in your palm. You take a small amount of spirit onto your palm. Then children, after taking the spirit into your palm, you may see or you may observe that it is very cold. Yes or no? If you take that iodine tincture, it is very cold. You think that it was cool. Normally it was not cool. What happens is here, whatever the heat energy present in your body is transferred to that liquid. Okay, when you lose the heat energy, you will get a feeling of coldness. From the activity 1, we have learned that any body, if it loses energy, it feels the coolness. If any body gets the heatness, it will feel hot. Yes or no, children? So here you want to take, in this activity, you want to take 2 petri dishes, children. There are 2 dishes. Petri dishes. You take 2 petri dishes, children. Okay. After taking 2 petri dishes, you take 1 or 5 ml of spirit. Spirit is nothing but alcohol or ethanol. So take spirit into 2 petri dishes, children. After that, you want to take a lid for both the petri dishes. Lid is nothing but a plate which covers the open area of the dish. Means if suppose this is a plate, you want to keep on the top surface of the petri dish. You take one of the dish to a side with its closed lid and keep undisturbed for some time. Then you take this petri dish and keep under the ceiling fan. You know, ceiling fan. So keep this petri dish containing alcohol under the ceiling fan, children. And check after 10 minutes both the petri dishes. Observe the quantity. What I am saying is observe the quantity. Previously you have taken 5 ml of spirit in 2 petri dishes. But after 5 minutes you try to check it, what was the quantity present in both the petri dishes. You will notice that the quantity in the petri dish 1 decreases or diminishes compared to that second petri dish, because that second petri dish was closed with a lid, but it was open and it is left open under the ceiling fan, children. Okay, sir, we left open this petri dish under the ceiling fan. How does that water go into the air, sir? Children, that is nothing but evaporation process is going on inside. We don't know that. So right now I will give a clear idea, children. So this is a petri dish, children. Big petri dish. So what is there inside? Alcohol. Alcohol. Alcohol is liquid or gas? It is a liquid substance. So we can say it contains molecules. It contains molecules. If it is water, we can say water molecules. If it is alcohol, we can say alcohol molecules. It is spirit, no? Spirit molecules. We cannot visualize these molecules here. Okay, children. At any temperature, whether you give or not, the entire molecules present in that spirit continuously move with the random directions and speeds. With random speeds in various directions they go. They may go like zigzag directions. Okay, like this. They may go like this. When they are going in that different directions with random speeds, when two molecules come close to each other like this, they will collide, children. Collide means nothing but guddukovaram. Okay, children. The two molecules come closer to each other and they collide. When they collided, whatever the energy present for these two molecules, that they get lost, children. Okay, children. When they are collided each other, whatever the energy present to them, that was lost by them, both of them. Whatever the lost energy is there, this energy gives to the other molecules. And these two molecules remain stationary, means they come to slow position. Right now they will move very slowly. Previously they are going like rocket speed. Because they have energies. But when they collided each other, whatever the energy is present by them, it was lost. And this energy was transferred to the other molecules. So they remained and they were slow in the liquid itself. So whatever the energy gained by the other molecules, they come to the surface of the spirit and they fly into the air. They fly into the air, children. Actually, we cannot see that. Okay, children, whatever the energy gained by one molecule, for suppose we think this molecule has gained the energy from these two molecules. So this energy comes to the surface and it flies into the air, children. It flies into the air. Like that, every molecule come closer to each other, collides, loses their energy, and this lost energy is given to other molecules. And the gained molecules take this energy and they fly off. Actually, they got other energy. Actually, they have energy 1. If they get another energy 1, what is the value? 2. So, by taking this energy, they will fly into the air. Okay, children. Like that, the process goes on till all the molecules are flies into the air. Okay, children. So, children, you can say that, sir, the liquid decreases. The spirit was decreased. Understand, children? In the same way, if your mother hangs the wet cloth onto a string, what happens, children? At any temperature, whether the sun is there or not, wind is there or not, the evaporation process continues. But slowly, it is a slow process. Understand, children? What happens in the dress too? If you take a dress, okay, we take a pant. So what happens? You know that, children? So whatever the water molecules present in this pant, they get collided each other and they lost each energies, and whatever the lost energy is there, that will be gained by the other molecules and they get fly off into the air. This process continues till all the molecules fly off into the air. Then you can say, sir, this dress or this pant was completely dried. There was no little bit of wetness in it. Understand, children? In the same process happens to a petri dish also. So definition for evaporation, children: the process of escaping of molecules, from the surface of a liquid, at any temperature, children. at any temperature is called evaporation. Understand, children? At any temperature, evaporation goes on. The process of escaping molecules. Yes, whatever the molecule that gains energy is get ready to fly off into the air. Okay, from the surface, where it has to fly? From where? Surface. Surface is nothing but Uparitalam. In Telugu called as Uparitalam. For every object, there is a surface. Even if you take this chalk piece as an example, it is the surface of the chalk piece. Understand, children? So it escaping of molecules from the surface of area at any temperature. At any temperature, children, is called evaporation. Okay, children? Understand? And next one is, I want to say that evaporation is a cooling process, children. Evaporation is a cooling process. There is a bit, children, for half mark. What kind of process is evaporation? It is a cooling process. You may think that, sir, when two molecules come close to each other, they are collided and they may get lost their heat energies, and this energy is given to other molecules. No, sir. This can be considered as heating process. No, sir. How can you say that it is a cooling process, sir? Okay, children. Take an example. A boy. His name is Ravi. He is working hard in an entire day. So he spends lot of energy. He is using entire his body muscles to work. So then what happens, children? A lot of internal energy is produced and the entire body's temperature is high. Then to cool our body temperature, whatever the water present in sweat glands, that sweat glands present on the skin, behind the skin, children. So these sweat glands, it starts evaporating water to cool our body's temperature. If not so, we'll die. Understand, children? So here we can consume that evaporation is a cooling process. It is a cooling process. Okay, children, understand? And one more I want to say that it is other definition for evaporation is it is a state of change from the phase of liquid to gaseous. Yes, this process goes on from the phase of liquid to gas. Water is in the form of liquid. When it starts evaporating, it turns into gaseous. Yes or no? It converts into gaseous form. Understand, children? So evaporation is a wonderful topic, children. Okay, we'll discuss other topic. One more thing, children. Evaporation depends on surface area. Surface area means if there is large surface area, the evaporation rate is very much. If there is a small surface area, the evaporation takes long time. If there is more surface area, it takes less time. And temperature, yeah. So children, at any temperature, the evaporation process may go on, children. There is no fixed temperature. And the humidity. These are all the factors, children. On these factors, the evaporation depends. Humidity, in the next class we will discuss, children. Okay, we will discuss our next topic, humidity, dew and boiling, condensation in the next class. Thank you.